Hello and welcome. My name is Dolores Semeraro. And in my hospitality career, I've been a PR manager, a marketing manager, and a communication manager. But most importantly, I've been that person in charge of creating a brand message that would inspire travelers to come to our destinations. So I know the struggle, and I know why now is not happening. So I created for you a video training program that will teach you in 4 steps how to reconnect with your audience, how to structure a message that would resonate with them, take that message online and position it, and most importantly, invest in this customer loyalty. So if you're struggling to reconnect with your audience and your engagement levels are going down, this is the video training for you. It's free and it's just available. All you have to do is to sign up. I'll see you on the other side.